Good morning, students. So in our previous class we saw till predecessor and successor. Okay. Now we are going to see how to compare and order large numbers. So let us take example. Now here we are having a number 35 crore 76 lakh 92,436. This is one number, and now if you have to compare another number, means greater than and less than. Now this is one more another number 37 crore 52 lakh 18,269. Now here when we have to compare the number, which is the number is greater than or less than. For small number it will be easy, means if it is one digit number 3 and 7, easily we can say that 7 is greater and 3 is smaller. If we take 2 digit 13 and 75, easily by saying we can tell that here 75 is greater and 13 is smaller. But if when it is large number, what we have to do? We have to start seeing from the larger place. Now here we can see, here in crore period we are having 35 and here 37. So by seeing this we can understand that here 35 crore is less than the 37 crore. Okay, so by seeing this we can understand that here 35 crore is less, or you can say less than 37 crore. But sometime what will happen here, as here 3 is same, here some places will be same. That time what we have to do? So that time here we have to see the places. Now here 35 crore, here also 35 crore. Now here again we have to go to next place. If the larger place is same, we have to go to next place. Here 76 lakh, but here also 76 lakh is there. Then we have to go to next place. Here 92 lakh, here also 92 lakh, 92,000, here also 92,000 is there. Then we have to see the next place. Now here we have to, here we can see 4 is in 100 place and here 2 is in 100 place. So which is greater? This 4 is greater and 2 is smaller. So like that we have to see the places. Now sometime what will happen? The digits will be different. So first what we have to do? First we have to count the digits. Now here in crore period 2 digits are there, but here only 1. So when the digits, first when we are comparing we have to see the digits, and if the digits are less, directly we can see that which number is smaller, which is greater. The number having less digits, that will be smaller. But if the digits are same, that time we have to see the places. Okay. Now this is comparing. Ordering also same. Ordering means ascending or and descending. Ascending means small to big. Descending means big to small. Now let us take some example. When we have to order now this is one example. Here we have to order it in descending order. So descending means big to small and ascending means small to big. Now first step what we have to do? Now here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 28,934. So this is 5-digit number. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is also 5 digits. This is also 5 digits and this is also 5-digit number. After seeing the digits, if the digits are equal, then we have to go to places. Okay. For large numbers also, for Arab, crore or million, billion also same method we have to follow. Now here all are having equal digits, then we have to go to places. Now here we can see here 2 is there in the 10,000 place. Here 4 is there. Here 3 and here 8. So which is greater? 8 is greater. That means 89,243 is greater number. So in descending order, this is the greater number. Now this over. Now there are 3 numbers. Now again if you see the places. Now here we can see all the 10,000 places are different. But if they are same, we have to see the 1,000 place. If 1,000 place also same, we have to see the 100 place. But in this example, we can see that the 10,000 place is different. So directly we can tell that this is the second number which is greater, and this 34,829 is third, and the smallest number is 28,934. And ascending order is vice versa, small to big. Okay. So like this we have to order the numbers. Okay. Now we see estimation and approximation. That means we have to estimate the numbers by rounding off it. So rounding off means it is imaginary. Now for example, if they say how many children are there or how many girls are there in our school, so we don't know the exact value. So what we will do? We will tell approximately. So that approximate value, that is the rounding off. Now that rounding off is that will be nearest to 10 or 100 or 1,000. Now for example, if anyone will ask how many girls are there in your class, now we don't know the exact value, so what you will say? There are 20 girls or 30 girls. You will not tell the exact value. Or for example, if they tell what is the total distance of your from your house to school. So if you don't know the exact value, you will tell the approximate value. So that approximate value is estimation. Okay, so that estimation we have to do by rounding of the numbers. So rounding off to nearest 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh is there. Okay, so we'll start by seeing rounding off to 10. So first we'll see rounding off to nearest 10. Now what do you mean? How to do this? How to round off the number? Now if the number is given 43. Now 43, it is nearer to which? So it is rounding off to tens. Tens means we have to see in between 10 to 20 or 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50 means is tens. Okay, so 43 is nearer to 40 or 50. Okay, so for that one rule is there. Means the numbers which are having, here you can see one activity is there. This activity you can also make. Here you can see that there are some numbers and one road is there and vehicle is going. Here the numbers which are having in ones place 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The numbers which are having in the ones place 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Those numbers will be nearer to 10. And the numbers in ones place, if it is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, equal to or greater than 5, then it will be nearer to the next number. So you have to remember when 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, such numbers are there in ones place, that number will be nearer to previous number. And if it is in the ones place 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is there, that means it is nearer to the next number. So previous number and next number. This same follows for rounding of 200, 1000, 10,000 also. Okay. So how to do that? That we will see now here. Now let us take some example. Here you can see, if I take 34. So what you have to do? Here 34, it is rounded off to 30 or it is rounded off to 40. So for that, we have to round to nearest tens. So which is the tens place here? 3. So that 3 we have to circle and we have to see the previous number. Now previous number is 4 here. So if 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are there, that means this number is nearer to the previous number. So that is tens means 30, 30 or 40. So here we can tell that the rounded off number of this is 30. But if here 7 is there, it is equal to or greater than 5. So this 7 is there means this number is near 37. It is nearer to 40. Okay, so like this we have to see the previous number. Or one more method is, if the ones place, the previous number is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, then this number will remain as it is and this will become 0. This is a shortcut method. If here 37 is there, 7 is greater means we have to plus 1. Means here, this 30 means it will go to next number. So 37 will become 40. Next number. This number will be added to 1 and this will become 0. So 3 will become 4. Now if we take nearest to 100. We'll take one example. Now 495. So rounding off to nearest 100. So 100 means we have to circle the 100 place and we have to see the tens place number. Now your tens place number is 9. That means here 9 is there means you have to plus 1 to this number. Means if 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is there, means that number, this circle number remain as it is. And if it is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then this number will be added with 1 plus 1. This step you have to remember for rounding off to 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, like that. So here 9 is there means this number will become plus 1, that is 5. So this 495 will be nearer to 500. But if it is here 2 is there, means this is less. So when this is less number, this number will not change. Only these two remaining numbers will become 0. That means 400. In shortly, 425 is nearer to 400 or 500. It is nearer to 400. Similarly, for 1000, it is nearer to, if it is in 1000, we have to circle the 1000 place and we have to see the 100 place number. If it is greater, we have to add 1. So that means it will become, it is nearer to 3000. If we are smaller, it is nearer to 2000. So 2000 to 3000. Okay. So like that we have to round off the numbers. By using this rounding off, we have to estimate the numbers that we will see in our next class. Thank you.